What is up guys, and welcome back to another LTC. So today I'm going to be lowering the rear end of the Micra by 35mm with these springs behind me. So they're made by LO, as in LO, that's what the company's called, LO, LO. They're a 35mm lowering spring, as explained. They were about just below 60 quid for just the rears, obviously, which I thought was a reasonable price, to be honest with you. I'm liking how coming from the BMW to just totally changing my mind and making a build like this. It's definitely a lot cheaper in parts. But yeah, I'm not going to be changing the shocks just because at the moment it's not going to get drove, so I really don't mind. I'm just doing this just to get the load, just to get the measurements and dimensions that I need on the car for the rest of the build. But later on, obviously at a later date, I will be fitting new shocks with shortened shocks. The front end, as explained in other videos, I've got some Corsa B coilovers. I got them second hand off a lad. I know they're in really good condition, but I do need to take them apart and just grease them up a bit, make a sleeve for them, and then obviously I need to modify the bottom mount for the bottom bit of the coilover to fit in. But they'll be getting fitted at a later date. Well, actually, say a later date, very soon. It's the next thing I need to do after lowering this back end. So, but I need the clamps for the front end, so that's why that's not getting done today. I'm going to get on with this now. I'm going to jack it up, get the wheel off, put it on stands, then going to loosen the top mount, etc. And then obviously lower the jack and let the spring fall out and get them changed over. Just to say guys, by the way, it's the first ever time I've ever done anything like this. I've never ever changed springs. I'm not really massively mechanically minded, which is why I got a build like this, to learn exterior but to also learn bits and bobs like springs, just other parts. So yeah, it's a bit of a learning curve for me, but let's get on with it, see how it goes. Right guys, obviously the spring's over here. I'm going to jack it up from underneath here. That'll obviously compress everything. Once it's all compressed, obviously wheels off. I'm going to, can you see up there? I'm going to undo the top mount, obviously put the rest of the chassis on jack stands, and then lower the trolley jack back down. And hopefully this spring will just fall out. I need to be careful with the flexi hooks. I don't stretch that, but I'll keep an eye on it. I think it's going to be alright. Right guys, so I really can't find anything just to grip this whilst I'm turning that top nut. It just keeps spinning, but I found another way. What I'm going to do is, I've got this mini one here and this here. It's going to hold that, obviously, then get this and twist it from there and loosen it that way. So yeah, just going to get on with this now. Right guys, now I've done the top mount, just need to get that bottom mount. That was awkward, that top mount, honestly, but I found a way I could do it just by holding that little nib at the top of the top mount and then undoing the bolt like that. But yeah, onto the bottom one. That bolt there guys, just need to undo that. Obviously there's one on the other side, so I need to hold that, undo that, and that'll be that whole strut there, disconnected from top and bottom. Then just need to let this jack down and it should be able to drop out. That's that out guys, moment of truth now, just to drop this and hopefully spring should fall out and lowering spring should go in. I've never done anything like this, so if I can do it, anyone can literally do it. That was scary. I'm really scared of stretching this flexi pipe, but you know what, I'm just going to go for it. I'm just going to stick this in here, get the spring out. If I stretch it, it breaks, engine, whatever, I'll just get a new one and replace it. It won't be much of a job, but yeah, I'd rather do it now than unclipping it and bleeding all the brakes again. So hopefully the spring comes out. Spring out, well happy. So just to show you the difference of the spring, obviously there's the old spring on the left, lowering spring on the right. And now guys, just reverse order. Let's get this new spring in and get the other side done. Now I've done this side, I'll be able to do that other side a lot quicker, a lot more confident with it. It's not going to rush things still though, make sure I do things properly, but get this new spring in. Sorry guys, my camera ran out of charge, but I just wanted to get it done. So rubber's back on, this back on, the nuts back on. That is all back on now, just for the sake of putting this wheel back on. Obviously jacking up, getting the stands out, going back down, and now doing the other side. As I said at the beginning guys, this is my first ever time doing this, so if I can do it, you really can do it. I know a lot of YouTubers say, God, if I can do it, you can do it, but now we actually realise now I've done something like this, honestly, anyone can do this. It's just the sake of just having the confidence and just getting in there and doing it. So, obviously I've showed you right through me doing all that one side there. The second side, I'm not going to show you right through, obviously bore you. I'm just going to get that side done and I'll show you it, a before and after, 35mm and the rear. Well, there we are guys, there's the car, 35mm lower. I'm recording this outro now as I'm editing. I've been in a bit of a rush this week, just trying to get everything done as I've been off. There's a lot more videos coming by the way guys, the arches are coming on, a lot more, and I can't wait to show you them. But yeah, there's the rear end, the front end coming soon guys. Please leave a like on this video, please comment below, subscribe if you haven't already. Until the next one guys, take care.